It is said that everyone has the will to win, but very few have the will to prepare to win. A very pleasant and warm good evening to each and everyone present here. I, Master Shubham Ramdas Marathe, the SPL of this institution,
And I, Ms. Ipsit Rajat Naramteke, the GPL of this institution,
are presenting before you the general report of academic year 2024-2025. Our academic year 2024-25 started full of zeal and enthusiasms. Teachers had enriching seminars conducted by talented resource persons arranged by Reverend Brother Lourdes Justin, the director and principal of Montfort School, Kusumkot.
we are lucky to have experienced teachers who are serving for the institution for the last 18, 17, 16, and 15 years. We started our new academic year with the theme Aspire to Inspire. इस नए एकेडमिक ईयर में 5 नए शिक्षकों की नियुक्ति की गई है। वैद्य सर, योगेश सर, सरिता मैम, बिनाश्री मैम और नेहा ठाकुर मैम।
Meticulous planning is very important for the better functioning of the school. In the very beginning of the session, teachers prepared yearly planning like the syllabus, various competitions, celebrations, and parents-teacher meet. To smoothly run all the programs, we have different committees and clubs like the Health and Hygiene Committee, Guidance and Council Committee, Steering Committee, Outsourcing Club, Academic Club, Literary Club, Cultural Club, Discipline Club, Sports Club, Social Club, and IT Club.
Our school attained 100% result in the 10th class SSC board examinations of 2023-2024. Special thanks to the management and teaching staff for paying better attention to the students. To boost the spirit of co-curricular activities in the students, we had cultural, literary, and sports competitions through which we are generating vigor and enthusiasm among the students. We have 4 groups: blue group, green group, red group, and yellow group. All our group in charge teachers put their heart and soul for their groups to function effectively.
हमें हमारे जीवन में निरंतर आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित होने की आवश्यकता होती है। ऐसा ही प्रेरणादायी व्यक्तित्व हमारे मॉन्टफोर्ट ब्रदर्स में है, जिनका व्यक्तित्व हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा स्थान है।
जो है हमारे प्रिय ब्रदर आदरणीय शाइन एलेक्स, प्रोविंशियल सुपीरियर प्रोविंस ऑफ हैदराबाद। उन्होंने अपने काउंसिल सदस्यों के साथ यहाँ आकर हमारा मार्गदर्शन कर, हमारा हौसला बढ़ाकर एस्पायर टू इंस्पायर थीम को उजागर किया।
There was a great personality who visited our school, Reverend Brother Verghese Manda Patel, Assistant General of Montfort Brothers, St. Gabriel Education Society, Rome. Montfort School Kusumkot's new calendar 2025 was unveiled by Reverend Brother Verghese Manda Patel and Reverend Brother Shine Alex. Water purification plant RO was also inaugurated by the Montfort Brothers.
All experiences are opportunities which are meant for us to learn and grow. Our school students not only participated in sports held at taluka level, but also participated in sports held at district level and reached the highest point of district level. Dreams don't work unless you do. We received this inspiration on the National Youth Day. Students of 8th standard visited the SBI and wished them the National Youth Day and got motivated by their inspirational work.
National Yoga Day, Coordinators Meeting, Staff Meeting, Panel Training, POSCO Committee Meeting, Alumni Meeting, Transport Committee Meeting, Health and Hygiene Committee Meeting, Parents Teacher Meeting, Invest Teacher Ceremony,
Help to Needy, Hunger Foundation's tutor meeting, a visit to Science and Art exhibition at Nagpur, a visit to Gandhi Ashram at Sevagram, coordinators training program at Hyderabad, and alumni meet at Vijayawada. These events have also taken place in the academic year 2024-2025. Thank you. Now I would like to invite the academic club cabinet members to present the academic report.
Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. A very pleasant good evening to one and all present here. I, Ms. Chavi Praveen Gupta, the captain of Academic Club.
I, Master Rajatendra Malvya, the vice captain of Academic Club.
And I am Shruti Rajesh Mahalle, the secretary of Academic Club, going to present before you Academic Report 2024-25.
As per Montfort School, academic is soul of institution. However, holistic and wholesome education with exposure to the world outside is the mantra we go by.
The new academic year 2024-25 started with the great enthusiastic seminar for the school teachers. On 15th of June, general meeting was conducted by School Principal Reverend Brother Justin. The school principal welcomed the teachers. On 16th and 17th of June, the seminar for teachers was conducted by Mrs. Manisha Deshmukh Madam, Counselor and Trainer, Jhulelal Institute, Nagpur.
On 20th and 21st June, Sister Sangeeta, the principal of Holy Cross School, Badnera, conducted seminars for teachers. Teachers experience it joyfully and learn many skills through this seminar. Hence, our school has a gracious and humble beginning with a deeper sense of motivation and passion to meet higher expectations for this academic year. Moonford School welcomes us by great enthusiasm in new academic year 2024-25.
शपथ विधि समारोह का आयोजन 15 अक्टूबर को किया गया था। शपथ विधि समारोह में सभी क्लब के कैप्टन्स ने शपथ ग्रहण कर अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को निभाने का प्रण लिया था। इस समारोह में अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित थे माननीय प्रियमवदा मादड़कर मैडम, असिस्टेंट कलेक्टर ऑफ अमरावती, श्रीमान आयुष कृष्णा, इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस।
Moonford School believes that positive leaders make people accomplish their goals. We have such positive subject leaders in every class for various subjects such as English, Hindi, Marathi, Science, Maths, Social Science, General Knowledge, Value Education, and Computer,
who are appointed by academic club to note down all the activities of their respective subject, and they submitted their report to academic club to schedule future activities of academic club.
Here, our students from nursery to 10th standard are guided skillfully with attention by conducting assemblies. Pre-primary sections have conducted their assemblies with different colorful themes.
We are happy to share that our students of class 10 who appeared for 2023-24 SSC board examination passed with flying colors. We achieved 100% result. In class 10th, Miss Aboli Magar with 95.60% topped the school.
8 students have scored above 90%.
23 students have scored above 80%.
26 students have scored above 70%.
12 students have scored above 60%.
And 3 students have scored above 50%.
हमें यह बताते हुए गर्व महसूस होता है कि हमारे विद्यालय की 11वीं बैच का एसएससी बोर्ड रिजल्ट अप्रतिम रहा है। हमारे विद्यालय की 100% उत्तीर्णता की परंपरा को इस बैच ने कायम रखा है और हम आशा करते हैं कि हमारी आने वाली बैच भी इस परंपरा को कायम रखने का प्रयास करेगी।
We feel proud to share that our school has completed 21 years. Our many students are doctors, engineers, business persons, and have completed their degrees in various fields. At present, our students are in USA, UK, and Russia for their higher studies.
मोनफोर्ड स्कूल कुसुमकोट हमेशा स्कूल के पुराने छात्रों की उपस्थिति को महत्व देता है। हम सभी पुराने छात्रों के स्कूल में आने और हमें अपने छात्रों के करियर को आकार देने के लिए प्रेरित करने के लिए स्वागत करते हैं। विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में उनके व्यापक अनुभव निश्चित रूप से हमारे बच्चों को अपना करियर आकार करने के लिए प्रेरित करेंगे, ऐसी हम आशा रखते हैं।
हमारी पूर्व छात्रा कुमारी प्रक्षब्धि विजय वानखड़े एयर हॉस्टेस इंडिगो एयरलाइंस ने स्कूल का दौरा किया। वह 8वीं से 10वीं कक्षा के छात्रों के साथ अपने एयर हॉस्टेस के यात्रा अनुभव को साझा किया। यह वास्तव में एक महान प्रेरणादायक यात्रा अनुभव था।
उन्होंने हमारे छात्रों को अपने करियर के लिए प्रेरित किया और उनसे बहुत दोस्ताने तरीके से बातचीत की। ऐसे छात्रों को स्कूल में देखना हमारे लिए बहुत सम्मान की बात थी। हम उन्हें और उनके माता पिता को धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं।
To keep up the competitive spirit in rapidly changing world, there were regular class tests, unit tests, and internal exam, and also competitive exams like scholarship and Navodaya. We are very glad to inform you that our students are qualified for scholarship.
To strengthen bonds between management and parents, regular parents committee meeting, parents teachers meeting, and special meetings with principal were organized to educate and encourage weak students.
पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी आने वाले बदलाव को देखते हुए हमारे स्कूल व्यवस्थापक ने हमारे लिए ई लर्निंग सुविधा उपलब्ध की। हम इस सुविधा से आनंददायी शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं।
Moonford School is committed to focus on student for quality education through regularized revision and special attention given to deserving students through remedial classes, and also regular proper observation and feedback to teachers help a lot.
The school principal personally involved into classes administrations directly and indirectly. Really, he is a dynamic personality known for his hard work and commitment. Thank you.